Before the workday begins, before the first nail is struck, there's a place where tools are born. Not just assembled, but forged with pride. Since 1890, Marshalltown has shaped the trades that built America. And today that legacy lives on. In every tool we make, these are the tools you trust. From hammers that build, to trowels that shape, to knives that feather. Marshalltown builds the tools that tradespeople trust to get the job done. We build tools here, in American factories, by American hands. We set the standard. Marshalltown, home of the iconic American-made tool brands.